Hi, it's George again over at eimports4Less. Here today filming a short video about a real special vehicle that just came into us this morning. This one isn't on the website yet, but it will be there soon. What we've got is a 2018, it's a BMW X5. This is a 40e hybrid, all-wheel drive model, and you can see it's an M Sport. Tell that from across the parking lot. You can see this fancy M Sport body kit, 20-inch M Sport wheels. Exterior color on this one is space gray metallic. See, it's got the panoramic moonroof up there, shadow line exterior trim, so no chrome trim on the outside of this. Everything is gloss black. Let's take a quick walk around. Again, a 2018, only 27,000 miles on this one. Nice clean condition overall, nothing to talk about there. It's a one-owner vehicle, clean history, all of that, and you can see the Carfax and auto check info on our website at eimports.com. Space gray exterior, interior in this one is black. We'll take a look at that here in a second. This one's got great equipment. All of the safety features are on here. We'll tell you all about that on our website at eimports.com. That's where you'll see the full build sheet, every option that was added to it, original MSRP, all of that info will be there for you. Let's take a look at the inside. This one does have luxury seating, so it's got not only heated seats, but AC seats in here. So, let's see. See, the nav is active, aluminum interior trim, seats are in nice shape. Take a look at this back seat here. Again, excellent condition, no issues to talk about here. And we just got this one in, so I haven't even detailed it yet. This is what it came in looking like. You can see that panoramic moonroof, but really clean. Again, a 2018 40e xDRIVE with an M Sport and all the goodies, everything that it should have. So if you're interested in this one, give us a call here at the dealership at 215-249-9100. Again, you can check out all the details and photos on our website within the next couple of days here at eimports.com. Thanks for checking it out.